Good morning students, how are you all? Hope you are fine. Welcome back to the online class. Today we are going to discuss about our linear equations in two variables, exercise 6.5. This is our last class from linear equations. This is our third question. Solve the equation 3x plus 2 is equals to 8x minus 8 and represent the solution on the number line and the Cartesian plane. Here our given equation is 3x plus 2 is equals to 8x minus 8. Transpose all variables to one side and transpose all integers to one side. Here integers are 2 and minus 8. Transpose this minus 8. So 8 plus 2 is equals to 8x minus 3x. Here 8 plus 2 is equals to 10 and remaining 8x minus 3x is equals to 5x. Transpose this 5. So into 5 transposes to divided by 5. So x is equals to 10 by 5. X is equals to 2. So represent the solution on the number line first. This is our first question. So this is our number line. So x is equals to 2. The value of x is equals to 2 is here. On the number line, x is equals to 2 has a unique solution. This is second one. Represent the solution on the Cartesian plane. So solution of the equation is when x is equals to 2. Solution of the equation is 2 comma a. Here a is equals to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. For any value of y, x is the constant term, that is 2. X is equals to 2 for minus 2. X is equals to 2 when y is equals to minus 1. X is equals to 2 when y is equals to 0. X is equals to 2 when y is equals to 1. X is equals to 2 when y is equals to 2. So this is the way for any value of y, x is a constant term. Here the solution of the equation is 2 comma a. So here transpose the 2. X minus 2 is equals to 0. Here so our equation becomes x plus 0 into y. It is nothing but 0. This term is 0. So x plus 0 into y minus 2 is equals to 0. Substitute the values instead of y is equals to minus 2. So this term is 0, x is equals to 2, LHS is equals to RHS. This is also y is equals to minus 1, x is equals to 2. Results gives us 2. And y is equals to 0, x is also 2. So result is also gives us 2. So LHS is equals to RHS. For any value of y, we have to take a constant term x is equals to 2. So plot these points on the graph. Our first point x is equals to 2, y is equals to minus 2. So here. Next one, x is equals to 2, y is equals to minus 1. Here. When x is equals to 2, y is equals to 0. This point. When x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1. This one. When x is equals to 2, y is equals to also 2. So x is equals to 2 is a perpendicular line which is parallel to y axis and passing through the x is equals to 2. Join these points so we can get a straight line. This is the graph of given equation. So here our scale on x-axis. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is also 1 unit. This graph represents x is equals to 2 on the Cartesian plane. Next question, fourth Roman, write the equation of the line parallel to x-axis and also write the passing through the point. So here write the equation of the line parallel to x-axis. This is first question. And write the passing through the point. This is second question. So first one 0 comma minus 3. So the line parallel to x-axis means y is a constant term. So y is a constant term for any value of x. Once again I repeat, the line parallel to x-axis means for any value of x, y is a constant term. Here y is equals to minus 3. So first question is completed. This is the equation of the given point. So first question is completed. Second one, passing through the point means a comma minus 3. For any value of x, y is a constant term, that is minus 3. For any value of x, y is constant. The line is parallel to x-axis like this. So y is equals to minus 3. For any value of x, y is a constant term, that is equals to minus 3, which is parallel to x-axis. This is the way we can write equation of the given point and also write the passing through the point. So here our third one, 2 comma minus 5. So the line is parallel to x-axis means for any value of x, y is a constant. So equation becomes y is equals to minus 5. This is the equation. So passing through the point means a comma minus 5. Once again I repeat, the line parallel to x-axis means for any value of x, y is a constant term. So here the equation becomes y is equals to minus 5 and passing through the point is a comma minus 5. So this is our fifth Roman. Write the equation of the line parallel to y-axis. In our previous question, write the equation of the line parallel to x-axis. This is y-axis parallel to. And passing through the point, and also write the passing through the point. So here our question is minus 4 comma 0. So the line is parallel to y-axis means x is a constant. For any value of y, x is a constant term. So our equation becomes x is equals to minus 4. The line passing through the point x is equals to minus 4, which is parallel to y-axis. So also second question, and also write the passing through the point, and passing through the point is minus 4 comma a. So this is third one, 3 comma 5. So the line is parallel to y-axis means x is constant. So x is equals to 3. For any value of y, x is a constant term. X is equals to 3 is the equation. This is the equation of the line. This line is parallel to y-axis. And also passing through the point is 3 comma a. Passing through the point is 3 comma a. Sixth Roman, write the equation of 3 lines. Write the equation of 3 lines that are parallel to the x-axis. And next one parallel to the y-axis. So here the 3 equations, from the 3 equations, one of the equation is y is equals to 5. Y is equals to 5. This is parallel to x-axis. Here y is a constant term for any value of x. So this is parallel to x-axis. Remaining 2 as your homework. And next one, parallel to the y-axis means, the equation parallel to the y-axis means, take one of the example, x is equals to 3. So for any value of y, x is a constant term. So this line is parallel to y-axis. So remaining 2 as your homework. In Roman number 4, 2 and 4. In Roman number 5, 2 and 4. These are also as your homework. Finally, our revision on linear equations in 2 variables. So what we have discussed. These are some important points from linear equations in 2 variables. So first one, a linear equation has 2 variables is called linear equation in 2 variables. The linear equation has 2 variables is called linear equations in 2 variables. So example, x plus y is equals to 5. This is our first point. Second one, a pair of values x and y which satisfies the equation is called its solution. So pair of value x and y satisfies the equation is called its solution. So here x and y When x is equals to 1, y is equals to 4. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. LHS is equals to RHS. So both values 1 comma 4 satisfies the equation. Similarly, 3 comma 2 is also satisfies the equation. X is equals to 3, y is equals to 2. Also, x is equals to 4, y is equals to 1 is also satisfies the equation. These are all called solution of this equation. The values x and y which satisfies the equation is called its solution. Third point, a linear equation in two variables has many solutions. So this is very important point. The linear equation in two variables has many solutions. Many solutions means here 1 plus 4 is a solution, 2 plus 3 is a solution, minus 1 comma 6 is a solution, 6 comma minus 1 is a solution, 0 comma 5 is a solution, 7 comma minus 2 is also solution. So this is the way a linear equation in two variables has many solutions. So infinite number of solutions. Fourth point, the graph of the linear equation in two variables is a straight line. Yes, the graph of the linear equation in two variables is a straight line. Any linear equation consists of two variables is a straight line. Fifth point, a equation of the form y is equals to mx passing through the origin. This is very important point. A equation of the form y is equals to mx passing through the origin. So sixth one, graph of x is equals to k is a line parallel to y-axis. X is equals to k is parallel to y-axis and passing through the point k comma 0. Here x is equals to k, point is k comma 0. Similarly, y is equal to k is parallel to x-axis passing through the point 0 comma k. Y is equal to k is parallel to x-axis passes through the point 0 comma k. Next, eighth one, equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0. Equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0 and also equation of y-axis is x is equals to 0. X-axis is y is equals to 0, y-axis is x is equals to 0. Means for any value of x, y always 0. For any value of x, y is equals to 0. So here equation of y-axis means for any value of y, x is equals to 0. It represents y-axis in the Cartesian plane. It is also represents x-axis in the Cartesian plane. Okay, my dear students, if you have any doubts in this session, please contact my number. Thank you.